All right, Lee, and just hours before Mobile County's announcement, Baldwin County school leaders updated their plans for the fall too. And that includes masks for students and teachers on campus. Virtual learning, though, is still an option. I want to go right to our Hal Sherrick, who's live at the school board office in Loxley. And Hal, a lot of parents, they're choosing that virtual option.
Yeah, they really are, Lenise, and school officials say they are prepared for that. So far, a little more than 2,000 students have signed up for virtual learning. Schools have had to bring on more teachers and facilities to meet that need. And with today's announcement of mandatory masks on campus and other details about the students' day-to-day lives, they anticipate that number to continue to go up. Now, a letter was sent out to parents today discussing face masks, social distancing, transportation, sanitation, cafeteria protocol, and temp checks. Superintendent Eddie Tyler says face masks must comply with uniform policy and can't have inappropriate language, signs, sayings, or political views on them. Students are asked to provide their own masks, but they will be provided if needed. Face shields will be provided for students with special medical needs, can't wear masks. Tyler says social distancing will be near impossible in most circumstances, but principals have been asked to space things out as much as possible. School breakfasts will be grab and go style, and lunches will be served in shifts with students spreading out to designated areas. Cafeterias will be sanitized after each shift, and bathrooms will be sanitized several times daily. Buses will be crowded as always, and sanitation stations will be mounted in each bus, and they'll be sprayed down with sanitizer after the morning and afternoon drops. Students' temperatures will be monitored throughout the day by new thermal cameras at entryways. School officials have been working for months on this reopening plan and say there are still many challenges ahead.
There will be violations of social distancing. There will be students who don't wear a mask. There will be buses full of students. I'm sure you'll be sent pictures, or will be sent pictures, of social distancing not taking place. I expect that. The governor's health order specifically exempts children under 6 years of age and under from the mask. And we will have students also who won't be able to wear these things properly. So there are always exceptions and exemptions, and we will deal with those as they come up.
Schools don't plan to discipline students if they don't follow the face mask order, but try to work with the child's parents to see if they can get things worked out. Now, the lingering question, of course, is what if someone tests positive in the school classroom environment right now? All they're saying is that they would clear the classroom, disinfect that classroom, keep students out for about 45 minutes. School officials say they'll better be able to answer the question of how that infection will be tracked as far as, what they call contact tracing, and how they would handle quarantining. They'll handle that question next week, probably about the same time on Thursday. Reporting live in Baldwin County, Hal Sherrick, Fox 10 News.